If you want your shower screen to be this clean in less than 5 minutes, using a product that is Australian made and owned, containing no harsh chemicals, that is environmentally friendly, that is so much cheaper than many leading brands, using no water that can make this job a little bit messy, and knowing that you are helping our planet, because $1 from every bottle of this product sold goes towards regenerating the Daintree Rainforest, then keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily clean your shower screen using the Skoosh Multi mixed up to the heavy duty concentrate. Now I'll explain more about this product in a moment, but it's a brand new product that was released in 2020 and it's already creating quite a stir in how effective it is, and this is an example. There you go. That's how quick and easy it is to clean the shower screen. The Skoosh Multi comes from an Australian made and owned company called Propre, which was launched in mid-2020. The Multi can be mixed into 3 strengths, depending on your needs, whether it's for window and glass, or a multi-purpose general cleaner, and as a heavy-duty cleaner, which is what was used to clean this shower.
So this is the multi here. It's a super concentrate, and by mixing it simply with water, it replaces 90% of your household cleaning products.
So that bottle replaces 90% of the products I already have.
This bottle, and mixed with the spray bottles we've got there with water, 90%.
So can you show me how to use the heavy duty spray now as well?
Certainly can. So obviously we've got to use our concentrate, our multi-concentrate, and we've got our spray bottle here of heavy duty. And as you can see by the markings on the side of the bottle, it's the 3 dark leaves, and then you fill it with water. So if you'd like to go ahead and fill that.
I love how you just don't really need to use much of the concentrate and you get such good products.
So I've mixed it with water, but as you can see, all our range is colour coded. So for the heavy, it's a darker blue. The multi-purpose is a little bit lighter, and the window is lighter again. So as you can see here, the heavy duty is colour coded, the darkest blue, and it can clean, your barbecue, it can clean engines, lawnmowers.
That'll be great for the oven as well.
Greasy stains, exactly. And the beauty of the multi-concentrate is it comes in numerous sizes depending on what your needs are.
The best part is that it comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out risk-free. So please click the link below this video to find out more about the Skoosh Multi Cleaner.